Hey everyone, welcome back to Dry Protected. My name is Eric, and in today's episode I'm going to go over how do I find the right paint protection film installer for me. So let's get into this video. Alright, so there's three things that I always recommend to people when they're looking to get paint protection film installed on their vehicles. Number one, Google reviews. So if you're new to paint protection, whether it's paint protection film, ceramic coatings, that type of thing, and you're new to this whole vehicle protection side of things, and you don't know where to go to Google search paint protection film installers near me. From there should be a number of them that show up. What I would do then is I would take and filter them out by the most amount of 5-star reviews and who has the highest Google rating. What I like to do personally is when I see the Google reviews, I like to click on the lowest review, see what the customer has said about them, see what happened that caused them to leave a 1-star or a really low review, and then hopefully there's a response by the owner on there as well too, and that's going to show you how the owner tries to rectify situations like this and prevent them from happening. Google reviews is always the first thing that I recommend to people when they're trying to find a paint protection film installer, and it's actually the biggest thing that I do myself personally when I'm looking to buy any kind of product or go anywhere, whether it's a restaurant or a hotel or you name it. Google reviews is always the first place I start, so do the same thing for vetting out your paint protection film installers as well too. Second thing that I recommend is talk to your friends and family. See if anybody has gotten paint protection film or ceramic coatings installed on their vehicles and see what they're saying, see what shops they're recommending, and then have a look at their vehicles and see what the quality of work looks like on them. Is there peeling mirrors? Are the seams aligned properly? Is there dirt collecting all over the place? Does the paint protection film look bad? Does it look good? What do your friends and family have to say about it, and how does it look on the vehicle? That right there is going to dictate a lot as to who you should go to, who you should stay away from. All right, and the third thing that I recommend you do, go around once you've Google searched and you've found all the shops that you have in your area. Go around and check these places out. Walk into them. Meet the owner, see if you can meet some of the actual paint protection film installers, see what kind of storefront they have, see if you can have a look in the shop, see how clean their shop is there garbage lying all over the place, are there garbage cans overflowing with garbage, is it dirty, is it well lit, are there only a couple lights, are they doing interior details next to paint protection film installs? These are things that you want to see, because if the shop that you're looking at giving your vehicle to get protected is doing an interior detail and someone's running a vacuum cleaner, and then 20 feet off to the side is someone doing a full front end paint protection film installation, you can almost guarantee that paint protection film install is going to have all kinds of dust and debris and contamination underneath it, and that's a big red flag. So yeah, just to kind of recap this video, the three things that I recommend if you're in the market for getting paint protection film installed and you don't know how to find the right installer are Google reviews, talk to your friends and family to see what their experiences are and whether they've gotten paint protection film installed on their vehicles, and go and visit these shops and see what they're like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.